Notion is the tool that I have used to run every single business that I've built or worked on for the past 20 years. And it is also completely free to start. I have set this up for founders running six-figure businesses, and I've also set it up for people who have an idea that they want to launch for as little money as possible. The operating system underneath is exactly the same, and by the end of this video, you can not only have that same operating system yourself, but you will also know the core components of business and the fundamentals of starting and scaling your own idea. You will also see exactly how I use this same setup to spot which parts of my business are repetitive and can be automated, freeing up my time for the parts that actually move the needle instead of signing up for tool after tool, which is a great way to save money when you are running or setting up your own business. So let's get straight into the 5 core sections that any business needs to run and how they are managed with just one tool. The first section that we need, the hero section, is the dashboard. This is the page that I open every single morning. My mission, vision, and USP sit front and center, and then my core metrics are directly underneath, my sales and my social. I then have some quick actions as this data will inform my decision making, and these buttons create workflows directly so that I can very quickly and very easily take action based on data. Underneath this, I have what I'm working on. So my whole week laid out for myself, plus space for my urgent tasks. Under that, I have a much more zoomed out view of my business with the full roadmap, my goals and objectives and key results. This page is everything that I need to be looking at every single day in order to run my business. I have a full overview of statuses and what I need to focus on, and this is the beauty of Notion. This dashboard view feeds into every single one of my workflows that have been mapped out. But also anything that changes on here is reflected in the places that I'm actually doing the work, meaning that my core components that keep my business successful never ever need updating. They are just feeding from my actual work, the day-to-day. And this actual work is all hyperlinked down here. So again, I can live in this one space. So let me take you through the other 4 sections that allow me to run my entire business in this one free program, Notion. So the next key section that we need to cover to run a business is essentially idea, research, and audience. Now, this is where all of your foundational thinking lives. The problem I'm solving, who I'm solving it for, and the research that underpins all of that. I use this space to set my mission and vision, which is reflected in my dashboard. Also within these 3 parts, I have space for analysis and insights that are ongoing to make sure that I'm always refreshing where my business is and what opportunities there might be out there. My audience and buyers is also key to my business growth because the only thing you need to know about building a successful marketing strategy is who to talk to and how to talk to them. Understanding and constantly checking in on your buyers is so important because if you try and talk to too many people, you will end up not talking to anyone. So this section is all about the pre-work or the foundation that comes before the execution to ensure that before you do any marketing, any content, spend any money, you have those core principles correct. Not only is this workspace something that I've set up for you following 20 years of startup experience, if you are new to building a brand or marketing, this channel teaches you everything you need to know to start and scale a business of any size. I've worked with founders of small businesses all the way to big established companies that just want to make sure that they're set up properly. And if you want to learn this as well, do subscribe. But if you're already on this journey, I offer a free 15-minute business chat to anyone who wants to know about what they could do better, what they need to focus on, or just get a bit of alignment as a founder. So do check out the links in the description of this video. On to section 3, your goals, roadmap, and key results. I say this so often, but when you are building a business, you need to know exactly what you're working towards and what success actually looks like. My favorite saying is what gets measured gets managed, and this section is all about your planning. Your planning, your roadmap, your goals, your measures of success. Every 90 days, I set myself one new goal. The roadmap and the key results sit right alongside it so that I'm not setting them somewhere completely separate to where my business and my work actually lives. Because this also leads on to section 4, our strategies, marketing, and sales, which will only work if they are pointed to and working on something specific from section 3. This strategy and execution section is where those goals turn into action. The strategy page holds all of the sprints and templated ways to drive results, and my marketing page plans the content and campaigns, plus my CRM tracks every client from the first conversation to having them paid, to a summary of all of this feeding back into my initial overriding dashboard. I work in these pages, and as I'm doing each task or each section, this feeds directly back into my dashboard so that those updates are automatic and I am never jumping between tabs or tools. This execution page is the living, breathing workspace that I do work in that reflects into my daily updates to understand where my business is and what I need to focus on. And to understand where your business is, we need the final section. This is your analytics or your ops. The analytics tie back to the goals that we set earlier, so I'm always measuring something that is real and useful to my business. And the ops is where all of my processes, admin, and often ongoing repeatable tasks of running the business actually live. And by having everything all in this one place, it means I can also really quickly identify which of these ops and processes are repetitive or very linear task-based, enabling me to automate things that don't need my input and skill set, freeing up even more time for me to do what moves the business forward. And that is the basis of modern business building. Creating systems that hold core foundations, ensuring you're building properly from the ground up, making that system as effective as possible so that you're not repeating work and you're actually spending your time doing things that matter, and then layering on tools and tech after you have those fundamentals. Making sure that they actually complement what you are doing and save you time, effort, and money instead of kind of panicking, giving into that marketing and signing up for a ton of slightly pointless AI tools. This entire setup is something that I have built for you. Every page, every template, all the smart connections and automations, these are all part of the complete business blueprint, the only operating system that any business needs. And that operating system runs completely on Notion's free plan, so you don't have to pay a subscription fee from any tools to really benefit from it. Notion is an absolute game changer in running a business for less cost and risk than ever. And the reason it is so powerful is because every part of the business is talking to other parts. Nothing is disconnected, nothing is in separate tools or tabs. Everything is streamlined and everything is set up to make your life easier. If you haven't found Notion by now, go check it out. If you've already set it up for yourself and you're already using it and you want a second pair of eyes on your own setup before you get too far in, as I said, I run free 15-minute audit calls, and I will leave that link in the description of the video as well. But subscribe if you're building anything from the ground up and you want to build it properly, because that is exactly what I help founders do every single week. These core components of building and running a business are applicable to any business of any size in any place. So you can also take these components and apply them to your business where you are, but knowing that all of this can be run in one free tool is pretty exciting for any founder out there. And if you want to learn more about that, watch this video next.